Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Discord not opening problem. So if your Discord stuck on the starting screen, let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. Let's jump straight into it guys. First we need to close the Discord guys. To do this, right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Task manager, you just need to search for Discord in here, background processes. Right click on it and select end task. After doing it, close out of here. Now right click on the start icon, select run. In run window you just need to type percentage app data percentage, again click on OK guys. In here you just need to search for Discord folder, double click on it, and now double click on the cache, double click on the cache data. Now click on any files over here, press in keyboard control plus A, right click on it and select delete it guys. Don't worry guys, it won't be deleting any of your data. This is just your cache data. After deleting it, close it off here. Now right click on the Discord application and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and now check mark run this program as an administrator. Select apply and OK. After doing this, you just want to restart your PC. Go ahead and restart it guys. After restarting your PC, check your problem resolved or not. If you're still having a problem, let's move on to the second solution guys. Second solution is to uninstall Discord and reinstall it guys. Probably there is some problems with the Discord files and that the problem you are facing it. But do it correctly can fix the problem guys. To completely uninstall Discord, you need a application. To download it guys, open up Chrome. Search for Geek Uninstaller. Click on the official Geek Uninstaller website. Click on it. Click on the download option. Click on the zip file. After getting download done, click on show in folder over here. Now double click on the zip file. Now double click on the application. Click on S. Now in here you just need to search for Discord. Right click on it and select uninstall it guys. This application will help you completely uninstall it guys. Here are the leftover registry files. Click on finish to delete all of it. All traces removed. Close it off here. Now search for Discord download and click on the download Discord and click on the download option and download it guys. After getting Discord download done, click on it and install it guys. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys, and you can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.